Hello, I am What the Trig Math, and we are taking a look at Maths Whiteboard today. So MathsWhiteboard.com is an amazing website full of fabulous tools. We're going to open the term planner board. Thinking about the topics that we're going to be covering or that we covered and we want to build in some retrieval practice, let's open up some of these and simplifying an expression. Yeah, definitely. We could do with some retrieval practice on that. So we pick up the plus and drag it in over the calendar. Let's have a look then about collecting variables. Yeah, we're going to drag that in and put that in over the calendar. And as well as algebra, we might want to just cover off again prime factors. So we're just going to pick up that plus and drag it in over the calendar. And we must do this with 6 topics. So I'm at 5 topics now, and I'm just going to pick up another one. And you can see, every single topic you could think of are on here. So I'm just going to pick up the last one and drag that on. What I'm going to do now is generate a calendar based on that, a retrieval calendar. So I click on that icon there, the little calendar one. And then I'm going to select which month that I'm going to set this for. Well, it's for term 1. So I'm going to set it probably for October because we'll do these at the beginning. Auto select the skills and off we go. So I now have my October calendar. All the days of October are on there and each day has a question around those topics that I selected. Nice mix covering those topics that I just want to keep ticking over. Then underneath you've got the answers as well. So I can see this being of great use in tutor time or giving to parents who want to do some maths at home or for independent students that want to do more work. But for me, what I want to do is turn this into an interactive resource for them as well. So here I am in Thinglink then, and I'm just going to pick up my file. So I've added in my calendar now. Now I took a screenshot of it as an image to come into here. And there we are, you can see that now is in Thinglink. And what I can do is up here on the edit, is I can add a tag. And under here I can add the answers. So I can add the answer for the question. So we've got the answer in there. I can change the icon on the Thinglink. I quite like the star ones. I think they're quite interesting. You can make your own as well. So the star ones, and I'm going to go for a nice bright green star. I think that'll be quite nice, and that's done. So there is that tag with the answer 5C, and I'm just going to drop that over there. Now I've got to number 5 and it's asking for fractions. The other ones were text and they were easy to bring across. But if I go back to the worksheet, I've got the question as 3/5 as the answer. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of that fraction. I'm just going to capture it. Back into my Thinglink then, add a tag. Now this time instead of text label, I'm going to select media. And that then means I can upload that image that I have just downloaded. And there is the 3/5 as the image. Change it so it is the star, so it's consistent throughout. Pop that in, and you can see it there, and we can drag it up. So once we're done in the Thinglink then, we can go into here and we can edit it again if we want to. We can go into here and we can change the settings to how you want your privacy set. I've set it to unlisted so anyone with the link can view. And then I can go to share and I can pick up that link, copy it. I can paste it into a Teams page, into a Google chat, into a Google Classroom. I can also generate a QR code as well. That might be easier for some of my students to access with. And when they come in, this is what they see, and they get to hover over, answer the question, and then the answer will be revealed. Just makes it a little bit more interactive, but absolutely, I think this is just a great place to start anyway on Maths Whiteboard, creating a term planner, adding in specific topics for your students, and generating a monthly calendar for them to work through. I've been What the Trig Math, and don't forget to subscribe for more Maths EdTech videos.